All right, part 2 of section 1.4, we're now dealing with the distributive property. So what you notice here, as opposed to the commutative or the associative property, is that we're not adding. We are multiplying A times quantity B plus C. So we can't just drop those parentheses away, but we do want to get rid of them. The way we do that is we multiply A times B, so AB, and then plus AC. So that's the distributive property. So if we have 5 times x plus 4, I'm going to multiply 5 times x, so 5x plus 5 times 4, which is 20. I cannot combine those because x and 20 are not like terms, so that's as simplified as I can get. If I have 5 times 3y plus 7, once again, I can't combine these two because I have no like terms. So I'm going to distribute 5 times 3y is 15y. And then 5 times 7 is 35. And that's my answer for that one. This also works, the distributive property also works if I have A times B plus C plus D. We just take one extra step. So AB plus AC, or plus A times C, I should say, and plus A times D. The other thing that's important to know is if I have B plus C times A, if A is in the back, still works the same way. AC plus AB. So same thing as we've done before, so those are just different forms of it. So combining like terms to simplify, once I have used the distributive property or anything like that, if I have just an expression and I want to combine like terms, I can only combine x's with x's, y's with y's. As we get to it later, x squared with x squared. They have to be the same thing. So 4x plus 15x, that gives me 4 plus 15 is 19x. And I need to make sure to bring that x down with it. On part B, 7x plus 5 plus 3x plus 8. My x's are here and here. So 7x plus 3x gives me 10x. And my constants, so once I've used them, I cross them off. My constants are 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. It's very important that you remember to put some kind of connector in there. We're only adding here. We don't have any negatives. So that's a plus 13. 10x plus 13. The other way to look at that is with grouping. So you can rewrite this based on the commutative property because we're only adding 7x plus 3x plus 5 plus 8. So 10x plus 13. Either way, it's the same thing. Just depends on what you're more comfortable with. Another practice one. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8x plus 10x is 18x. Bring down my plus, so 18x plus 10 is my answer on C. realize I was still recording. For your homework for this section, number 2 and 3, number 9 and 10, number 17 and 18, number 24 and 25, number 37 and 44, and number 63 and 64. That is your classwork / homework.